Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to forward voice message on Instagram. Okay, let's start the video. First, open your Play Store. My Instagram already updated. Then open your Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.